Welcome, this is Mi-Ling. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you have something that you want me to cook or something you want me to try, just leave a comment and I'll be happy to give it a shot. Y'all have a good day now. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Mi-Ling's Comfort Zone. I am just cleaning out my refrigerator today. So you know when I do that, I always usually make an omelet or some sort of scramble. So today I'm making an omelet, getting rid of everything. Some leftover fresh spinach, yellow pepper, red pepper, and some onions. Gonna saute this up. And put some seasoning in here. And then I'm gonna make an omelet. Put a little butter in. Pan's already hot. Already has a little olive oil in there. And okay, letting this cook slow. Let the egg set. I'm gonna brown the edges. I don't really have a problem though if my egg is a little brown on the outside. Doesn't really bother me. I'm gonna put a filling in. A little more cheese. Flip mine over. I like mine like that. Open. And sometimes, to give it a little bit more flavor, I'll drop in a little salsa. Cheese is melted. This is enough for 2 days. Cut half of this off and save it for tomorrow. Top it with the remaining ingredients that I saved out. And there you go. That's my clean out the fridge omelet this morning. Okay, I'm gonna give it a little taste. Red pepper, green pepper, and a little spinach. Seasoned very well. A little Parmesan cheese, a little Mexican cheese, salt, pepper, Provence, and of course, the salsa adds a lot of kick to it. So y'all have a good day and go out and create your own unique comfort zone. Bye.